Hey, first graders, I'm going to go over our grammar pages for today. So we're continuing to work on expanding declarative and interrogative sentences. So let's read this together. Compound declarative sentences make a statement, so like declaring something, and have two complete thoughts. You can expand declarative sentences by adding details and information. Compound interrogative sentences include two complete questions. You can expand interrogative sentences by giving more information about the subject of the question. So, a simpler sentence would be We plant vegetables and we grow flowers. I'm going to go back, and this is a declarative sentence, and we're going to add some more details and information. So we plant vegetables, that's the same, but now we're going to add where we plant vegetables in the garden. And we grow flowers. Now we're going to add a location in pots. A simple interrogative sentence would be Would you like to go or would you rather stay? So if we look at the sentence, the second sentence, they added Would you like to go to the movies or would you rather stay home? So they added some more details and said, asked where they would like to go. All right, so looking at the bottom here, it says read each sentence, expand it by adding words or details. So I'm going to use my text box. I'm just using Cami. You can print this and do it with me, or you can do it on the computer, up to you. So we can play blank or we can read. So we're going to add some words or details. So we can play, now I'm going to think of something we could play. We can play Beyblades, or we can read a book. Okay, that would be an example of expanding these sentences. So the second one says, who makes that blank shirt and where can I buy one? So we got to think of a detail. What kind of shirt is this going to be? How about who makes that yellow shirt and where can I buy one? Make my font a little bigger. It's really big. Okay, next we draw blank or we paint. So we need to decide, what are we going to draw? We draw, let's see, oops. We draw dog pictures, or we paint rainbows. So you're going to think of some details to add to these. If you would like to pause this video and complete number 4 and 5, you can. And then when you're ready, hit play and we'll go over your work. So number 4, will you come blank or will you stay? So I need to add some more details here. Will you come to the store or will you stay with your friend? Oops, my font got a little too big. And they have a question mark because they're asking a question. We went blank and we visited blank. So we could say we went to Oregon and we visited my grandpa. Okay, so those are some details I added. Your details will probably be different than my details. All right, let's look at our next page. We're again going to be adding to these sentences. So tiptoe and be quiet is a simple sentence, and we can add a detail. Tiptoe through the door. So where are we tiptoeing? Through the door and be quiet. So read each imperative or exclamatory sentence, expand it by adding words or details. So I'll do the first one together, and then I think you probably have the idea. I saw blank and I ran. I saw a ghost and I ran. We could say away, but I'm going to add even more detail and say, and I ran in the to the closet. Okay. Listen blank and don't talk. Listen carefully and don't talk too loud. Okay, so go ahead and do number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. And you can either do this electronically on Google Classroom and turn it in up here, or you can do this by printing out your work and showing it to us on the Flipgrid. All right, nice job today.